Sarah's Essentials for the bathroom. So what I'm going to talk about is how to have a few essentials for everyday care. Well, maybe it's soaking up some extra water, cleaning up your makeup, toothpaste, shaving cream, extra hair if you have a shaver in your family. We're going to cover that, and then we're also going to cover the deep clean, the items that you will need to deep clean your bathroom. So first, that everyday pick me up, I need to wipe down my counters, faucets, or mirrors, is going to be that EnviroCloth. So I would highly recommend having a specific EnviroCloth for your bathrooms. We definitely have different colors, so maybe choose a color that is for your bathrooms, whether you have one or more, so you know when you are washing all of your cloths that this specific one goes into the bathroom. So this is going to clean up like any of the debris or even the hard things like hairspray on your curling iron, any hair products. This is going to give that clean. Then next, you're going to want a window cloth too for your bathroom. So this is going to polish and shine if you have any stone, all of your glass or your mirrors that's in your bathroom, as well as your faucets. If you have any like stainless steel, brushed nickel, or anything like that, this is going to polish and shine them as well. So I highly recommend getting a little command hook and putting it on your cabinet door for underneath your sink, and just hang them there. Hang them on your cloth so you always have these to do your quick cleanup around the bathroom. And they can go on the same hook, that it's always really easily accessible. Okay, the other thing that's essential that you must have in your bathroom is the toilet spray. So this toilet spray is enzyme based, and it specifically targets the body odor when it comes to feces. It also has essential oils in it, so it gives you that smell. So goodbye odors in the bathroom. Hello fresh with our toilet spray. Okay, so next let's talk about a little bit more of a deeper clean. So maybe you have some water spouts, soap scum, whether it's on your sink and faucets or in the bathroom. So the first thing that I'm going to recommend is our cleaning paste. This is one of the basics that you can use all around your house. But the cleaning paste is really good for hard water buildup that's like on your shower doors. If you have glass doors, it really works that off. If you have any rings around the faucets, this is great to use. However, it can be a little bit more tricky because it is hands-on. It's not like a spray that soaks. You really have to get like your EnviroCloth wet or your Sperry sponge wet and physically scrub it down. That's the only drawback when it comes to cleaning paste when it's in your shower, but it works really well to get off that film. So let's talk about let's make it a little bit easier to clean your bathroom. So we have two different products. The first one is our bathroom cleaner. So our bathroom cleaner is kind of like an all-purpose cleaner for your bathroom, whether it's sinks, toilets, or showers and tubs. And you can use it concentrated just like this. This is how I use it to clean my toilets, and I'll share that in just a second. But you can also dilute this. Like you can dilute this in a water bottle for it, so it becomes a spray form. Because it is highly concentrated, you're able to do that dilution. Like it's 2 ounces of bathroom cleaner versus pretty sure it's 12 ounces versus water, so a total of 14 ounces that you can get as a spray and go. This is really good for non-tile, like if you're just spraying it all over like your typical bathroom tub insert, and then rinse it off with the shower head. Next, this is what we're also going to use in our toilet scrub. So this is what I use to clean our toilets. And the beauty about this, you guys, is it has silver in the bristles. So that silver is going to purify your toilet brush. So it's going to be a clean toilet brush every single time you use it. You're not going to have to be worried about any odors that are coming from your toilet brush or anything like that. The bathroom cleaner is what we put into the handle. So you can see here there's actually bubbles going up and down right here. That's exactly what is in my my scrub brush. You untwist it here, you put the bathroom cleaner in, and then there is this push button to distribute the soap all on the tip of the brush. And you guys, this is a really awesome product. Whether you want, it comes in this case, so whether you want one for every bathroom or just one for the main bathroom and carry this around, you can. But I tell you what, it really scrubs really well. Here in our RV, it cleans our RV tank. It gets into the actual hole of the RV toilet, and it gives it a really great clean. It's one of my favorite products, y'all. And I hate cleaning the bathroom. So as I'm sharing a little bit of this bathroom, I do have the privilege that my husband normally cleans the shower for us. So if you have someone in your life that cleans your bathroom for you too, have them watch this video so they can hear some awesome products. Okay, so next, let's talk about the really hard water. So I'm talking about rust, calcium buildup. You will, most likely, if you have really hard water, you might have an odor that's associated with it, or you have ring of like any like sort of rust rings around, or and you know, that type of water needs a specific formula, and what that is, what targets that is called our descaler. So our descaler comes in this pump that's a spray, which is also great for when you want to spray, leave it on 5-10 minutes, and then just simply rinse or wash it off with one of our scrubs. I typically use a bathroom, when I was in the house, we used a bathroom scrub mitt. It was EnviroCloth on one side, scrubby on the other. That's what I prefer for a larger bathroom. With us downsizing into the RV, I use the Enviro scrub. So EnviroCloth on one side, scrubby on the other. We spray the descaler around to let it soak for 5 to 10 minutes when we are in an area with hard water. This is great to go around the ring as well, if you have buildup there. So it's targeting that, the enzyme is targeting that hard water to kind of eat it away, but it's very important that you make sure you give it a good rinse. It's active, right? So it's gonna keep eating it, and you don't want like it to like eat into your metal. So make sure after that 10-15 minutes, don't forget about it, set a timer, make sure you rinse it off and clean it off. Oh, another tip is if you have a shower heads and that the shower spigots are coming out weird, you can either use our our bathroom cleaner or the descaler. Put some like water, like literally fill up the water with a plastic bag over the head of it. Put some bathroom cleaner in it or descaler in it. Tie a rubber band around it and let it sit for 15 minutes, and that will just come right off as well. Okay, so the other cleaner that I wanted to share with you guys is the all-purpose cream cleaner. So this is great for around the faucets. Like if you have hard water like right around like the ring where your water comes out, like when it comes to your hand washing spigots, or the corroding that kind of happens along the edges as well, using the cream cleaner along with the utility brush is a great additive towards your bathroom like deep cleaning routine. So there you have it, all the essentials for deep cleaning. For basic cleaning, you know, we're going to do that in EnviroCloth and window cloth. You need to have a set of these in your bathroom, along with that toilet, the toilet scent to put it right on the back of your toilet, the toilet spray. And then when we're deep cleaning, we're going to use the bath cleaner is going to be your main cleaner, your all-purpose bathroom cleaner. This is great for every bathroom. If you have hard water, that's when you're going to want to choose the descaler, because you need that little extra scrub. And then for hard residue buildup, you can use the bathroom cleaner and descaler on your glass doors. But the cleaning paste is something that I gravitate towards when it comes to the glass doors for the soap buildup or film that's on those glass doors, along with the Sperry sponge. So there you have it with your cleaning of your bathroom, along with a toilet scrub brush, y'all. All right, I can't wait to see what you choose with one of your bathroom essentials here.